Hello, this is Ivan from GTM Hub. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work with teams. So when you log into the application, you go to the People tab, and here you have three different sections. Employees, which are all the employees in your system. Teams, which are all the teams of your company. And then finally, organization, which shows how our teams structured within your organization. So here you have some teams such as sales, and then under sales we have market development, new business sales, customer success, growth, and so on. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to create engineering team and put it under product team. So we'll go back to the teams, and we are going to click on create new team, and the team name will be engineering. And as a description, we build stuff. So we said that we are going to select the parent team to be the product. So click here. And then we can choose also teams icon. So let's say that it's going to be maybe this. And we can also choose the color. And then we save. So here we can see some basic statistics for our team. But first, let's check in the organization if everything is the way it should be. So we have product, and then we have engineering here. We can also change the team's properties. So let's find this engineering team that we have. And we can click on edit. And then we can say that maybe this team should be under growth. So if we click here, now we can see that engineering has moved here. Okay, that doesn't sound right, so let's reverse that. Back to the product. Okay, and now we can, in the same manner, we can go and start adding some team members. So there are multiple ways to do that. One is from this screen, where we go and we can choose the team manager and also add a list of team members. And another is from the bulk edit team members. So let's start first by selecting a team manager here. And then we can say, let's say that Charles is going to be the team manager. So you can see Charles. And then also let's see a different way of doing this, which is through the bulk team edit team members. So we can do engineering, and then we can say that Kevin and Joseph and Kate are all members of this team, but maybe Charles is not the manager anymore, so let's say Teresa will be the manager. Also here, you can see all the employees that are not members of any team, which can help you organize your organization faster. And now we go back, and let's look for the engineering again. Now we see there's three members, it's Kevin, Joseph, and Kate, and the manager here is Teresa Thompson. One of the big reasons why you would want to have teams is that now you can assign objectives to the team itself. It doesn't have to be assigned only to the people. So if we go back to objectives or OKRs tab, we can create a new objective, and it would be speed up build times. And on the description, you can say we cannot wait 2 hours every time we need to deploy something to production. Now under the owner, we can look here and we could say Teresa, which is the manager of this team, but we can also say engineering, and we can assign this objective to the engineering itself. So we click on save objective, and here it is. And then we can add some manual metrics, for example. We could say test runs under 15 minutes. And we could say at most 15, and the show value is now 20. So click save, and then when we go back to the people, we can now look for our engineering team, And we can see that this team has, in these active sessions, one objective. Its team members have 3 objectives. So that's the difference. There is 0 dynamic key results, there is 1 manual key result, and the attainment is 0%. We can also see the objectives of the team itself, which is speed up build times. And we see that the key result we have is the test should run under 15 minutes. We have 83 days to do that, and we have no progress. And we can also see all the objectives of different team members. So we have, let's say, generate more quality leads. Who is that? So that's Kate Jensen. She's the member of this team. And let's go back to the engineering team. Just to see a few more things. And finally, we can see members here. Also, on every team, we can leave comments, feedback, or things like this. So if we see objectives, I can go here and say, guys, this is a great initiative. Keep up the good work. Okay. And finally, we can delete teams, which we can do from the little delete icon here. That is all. Thank you.